So Tracy Roush came to me with this idea of figurative language bingo, and as she described it, I was like, "Yes, we have to do this." Um, so right here is the steps. So what students are going to do is they're going to create their bingo board. Once they do that, they're going to listen to the sounds either synchronously, where you do it together, or asynchronously. We've got both versions available. And then step 3, they're going to use this website to get the music. So they're going to Shazam it and get the music for what's playing. Then step 4, they're going to find that figurative language term on their bingo board. Okay, so right here is like all of the soundtracks and all the soundtracks that like where they go with. So again, the students, this is kind of for the teacher, this card. So I'm going to write that in the speaker notes. And then I was not able to get Flippity to work, but maybe you'll have more success than I did. I don't know if it's blocked by our school Wi-Fi or filters or what's going on. But right here with this key, this will take you to a spreadsheet that has the terms, the songs, all of the audio files, and then where the figurative language ad is in that song. Okay, so everything is here. There's the slide deck that takes you to this slide. So again, everything is kind of on this key. So you'll want to make sure you go to the speaker notes down here and click the key if you need it. So what students are going to do is first step, they're going to take these little cards and they're going to place them on the bingo board. Okay, so again, they're going to take these cards and let me make sure that I have these ordered to the front because I usually do that and then I send it out to the kids and then they can't see what they wrote or where they place things, which is super, super annoying. And I might have to do it individually. And also, these are stacked. So, what that means is there are a ton of cards here. There we go. And there's like 4 of each different kinds of things. So students are just going to go on here. They're going to place where they think they want to for their bingo card. Okay, both versions are going to do that. Then the second step is they're going to listen to that music. So here, this is the asynchronous version. This has all the songs over here. And what students would do first is, I feel like I need to actually change this order because it doesn't make sense now that I'm looking at it. But students will listen to all of these different clips, okay? And then they'll do them in like random order as well. So let me move these over here. So again, step 1, they're going to label them on their bingo board. And then step 2 is they're going to listen to all these different songs and place them on their bingo board. So let's go ahead and let's grab this icon. Step 1, create your bingo board. And then we'll do step 2 real quick. And again, that's listen. I'm just going to put step 2. And if you want to add step 3 and 4, feel free. I just don't think I want to add all that space on here. Okay. So again, I want my students to listen to all of these tracks. And as they're listening, they're going to place them on the bingo board. So again, they're looking for this. And the tracks, they're like 30 minutes. I try not to go over 30 minutes. There are a couple that did. So just know that I did try, but some of them are over, some of them are shorter. So it could take a while. That's why the asynchronous idea might be a really good idea for your classroom because they could play over multiple class periods. Okay, so again, students are going to put these on the bingo board. Let me make sure I ordered these to the front. And then they're going to grab them. Let me make this smaller. And they're going to place them on their board. Okay. Over here, I stole this template kind of from Nadine and Amy. They had both of these, and I loved Amy's letters, and I love Nadine's backgrounds. So here are a ton of them. You would just have to copy and paste these 2 things over. Okay, so that's kind of the thing with this. Okay, so again, what the students are going to do, they're going to listen. And as they're listening, they're going to click this button. And then it's going to search for that match, okay? I have this muted because I am worried that I would get blocked by YouTube or something would happen. And then once the students see the lyrics, they're going to place that song over which figurative language is being talked about. So again, I would play the music, but I'm a little bit afraid of copyright and all that kind of stuff, so I'm not going to. And again, this is the teacher kind of board. So this is like where you can keep track. So you could either change the colors, you could move things around, and all that kind of stuff. And don't forget, in the speaker notes, there is resources after resources on the key. So enjoy this resource. I hope you have fun with it, because it was fun creating and working with Tracy.